Good morning, students. So, in the previous lecture, we have studied question 1 and question 2 of problem set 5. Now, we are going to begin with question number 3 of problem set 5. I hope that everyone has written question 1 and 2 in your notebooks. Now, question 3 is write the place name and place value of each digit in the following numbers. Means we have to write the place name of each digit and the place value also of each digit. In question number 1, we have written the place value of only underlined digit, but here we have to write the place value of all the digits. So for solving this question, in all the numbers, we have to draw such tables first. The first row will be of digits. Second will be of place, means the name of the place. And the third one will be of place value. Now, first step is write down the places above the number with pencil. Units, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 and lakhs. So what we have done? Biggest place is lakhs. So from lakhs we have to write down all the places. Now here we will write down the digits. Which are the digits? So first digit is 7. So here we will write down the number 7. Second digit is 8. At 10,000 place digit is 8. Then 1000 place 2. Hundreds place 8. Tens place 9. And units place also 9. Now in the last row we will write down the place value. Units means 1. 9 ones are 9. 9 tens are 90. Then 800 means 2 zeros. 2000, 1000 means 3 zeros. 8 10,000. So 8 tens are 80. 8 tens are 80 and 1000 means 3 zeros. And lakhs. So lakhs means 5 zeros. Or the second method I told you. First write down this digit, count the number of digits after that and write that many zeros. You can solve this by both the methods. Now in this question again write down the places. Units, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs and 10 lakhs. So biggest place here is 10 lakhs. The biggest place is 10 lakhs. So we will start writing the places from 10 lakh, lakh, 10,000, thousand, hundreds, tens, units. Now here at tens place there is 0. So don't do like this, that don't make the column of tens place. No. Though there is a 0 at tens place, we need to make a column of the tens place also. So write down the digits 8, 2, 7, 4, 5, 0, 8. These are the digits in this number. Now the place value of 8. So first write down here 8. Then how many 0 after 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next the number is 2. So write down here 2. And for place value how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 zeros we will give. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next digit is 7. 7 tens are 70 and 1000 means 30. Or just count here 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 zeros. Then 4000 means 1, 2, 3 zeros. 1000 means 30. 100 means 20. Tens but 0 is there. So 0, 0 and 8. Always remember this. Tens means 1 0 after the digit. 100 means 2 0 after the digit. 1000 3 0. 10,000 4 0. Then lakhs 5 0 and 10 lakhs 6 0. Like this also you can remember. Okay. Now here I have solved second and third for you. And first one is homework. Okay, first question is very easy. 35,705. So here you will draw only 5 columns. Okay, unit, tens, hundreds, thousand and 10,000. In this question, no need of drawing the column of 10 lakh and lakh. Understood? So question 3, like this you have to solve. Now the last question is this one, question number 4. The expanded form of the number is given. Write the number. Now in question number 1, what we have done? Question number 2. See here. In question number 2, number was given. From this number we have written the expanded form. Now in this question number 4, expanded form will be given to you and you have to form the number. Okay. So see the first example. Okay. So what you will do while writing the number from expanded form, observe the first number. First observe the first number. What is the first number? 5 digit means 60,000. Means the 5 places will be 10,000, thousand, hundreds, tens and units. Understood? First observe the biggest number and start writing all the places from that biggest place. Don't miss any of the place. In proper order you have to write all the places after 10,000, thousand, hundred, tens and units. Now 60,000 means at 10,000 there will be 6. Then 4,000 means 1,000 place there will be 4. 4,000. 600 means hundreds place 6. 7070 means 7 tens are 70 and units place there is 9. So our number is 64,679. Now same way we will solve the second one. Which is the biggest number? 9 lakh. So first place will be our lakh. And after lakh, don't look here. Directly write down all the places that you already know. 10,000, thousand, hundred, tens and units. Don't look at the next numbers. Only look at the first number and write down that place here and write down all the places after that place that we know. Now look at the numbers. First is 9 lakh. So at lakhs place there will be 9. Then 20,000 means at 10,000 place there will be 2. Then 7,000. So 1,000 place 7. Then 800. 100 place 8. Then there is no 2-digit number. So at tens place there will be a 0. And last is units place 5. Single digit comes in the units place. And how to give comma? 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, comma. So our number is 9,27,805. So here there is no tens place number. So don't do like this, that don't write this place only. Okay, otherwise the number will get wrong. If you don't write this tens place, so how it will look? 92785. But this is a 6-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After looking at the first number only, we can say that the number is a 6-digit number. And here there are only 5 digits. Means this is wrong. Okay, जो नंबर नहीं दिया है उसका प्लेस फिर भी लिखना है और उसके जगह पे 0 कंपलसरी लिखना है. अदरवाइज योर आंसर विल बी रॉन्ग. बिकॉज पहले नंबर को देखकर ही हम पहचान सकते हैं कि ये नंबर कितने डिजिट्स का बनने वाला है. सी हियर 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. फर्स्ट नंबर इज 5 digit means our answer will be 5 digit only. Okay. Now the third one. Again write down the places. Okay, so biggest number is 20 lakh means how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7-digit number. So places start from 10 lakh, lakh, 10,000, thousand, 100, tens and units. Now start writing. 20 lakh means 2 will come at 10 lakh. 2 tens are 20 and lakh, 20 lakh. Then 3 lakh. So 3 will come in lakhs place. Then 60,000 means 6 will come in 10,000. 6 tens are 60. 9,000. 500. 10 means 110 and 7 units. So this is our required 7-digit number. Now the fourth one. In the fourth one, the biggest digit is a 6. Biggest number is a 6-digit number. So 6 places: lakh, 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens, units. Now you will say that, teacher, here there are only 4 numbers. So we should write only 4 places. So no, just now I told you that जो प्लेस वाले नंबर्स नहीं दिए हैं वो प्लेसेस भी लिखना है, उसको स्किप नहीं कर सकते हैं. So lakh, 7 lakh means at lakhs place we have to write 7. Then 10,000. So 8 tens are 80,000. So at 10,000 place there will be 8. Then 4,000. Then 500. And tens and units number is not given. So here we have to write a 0 at both the places. Compulsory you have to write a 0. Now this one, same way, first write down the places. How many places you will write? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So which are the 7 places? 10 lakh, lakh, 10,000, 1,000, hundreds, tens and units. So 80 lakh means 7 digit, means here we will write. Then there is 50,000. So 5 will come here, means at lakhs place there will be a 0. Then 1,000. See, 1,000, 1,000. 600. And 9 will go at units place, means tens place there will be a 0. Okay, so this is our 7-digit number. And our answer will be a 7-digit number. How we can say this? By looking at the biggest number in this expanded form. Understood? So question 3 and question 4 also you have to complete in your notebook. Understood? Thank you.